Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video. So I'm here with a Motorola G85 Android phone, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can lock the home screen layout on this device. Okay, so before I actually show you how to lock the home screen layout, I'm just going to explain what it's all about. So locking the home screen layout prevents any changes to the arrangements of your applications and also your widgets on your home screen. So this includes preventing accidental movement or removal of icons and widgets. And this can happen a lot of the times when you have the phone in your pocket or you have the phone in your handbag and you don't have a lock on the phone. So, sometimes you got the phone in your pocket, you don't have a lock on it. And when you take the phone out your pocket, the widget has moved, or your applications have shifted and moved elsewhere on the home screen. And sometimes the applications might have actually been uninstalled or removed from off the home screen altogether. However, when you lock the home screen layout, it prevents this. And this is also very useful as well if you've got kids and sometimes they play on your phone. Sometimes they might accidentally uninstall something. So this is very useful. It prevents all of that. Like I said, it's a nice security measure for your home screen. It just keeps everything in place so that nothing cannot be shifted around or accidentally uninstalled. Okay, so now that I've explained how locking the home screen layout works, I'm just going to show you how to actually lock it. So all you have to do is just long press anywhere on the home screen and go into the home settings here. And here you will see lock home screen layout, icons and widgets will be locked in place. Just go ahead and turn it on. And now when you go back to the home screen, if you long press on any application or widget, nothing will happen. It can't be moved and it can't be accidentally uninstalled. As you can see, the home screen layout is locked. So like I said, it's a protective measure just to keep all your applications and widgets in place on your home screen. Anyway, that's it for the video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy, the Android Doctor, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm out. Deuces.